Hello everyone, my name is Geza Sabo. In today's episode, I will talk about our research, what we did, what we learned, and what we decided to use in our candle making. Welcome to our workshop. We put together a little chart of ingredients for candles what we're planning to use. First, we decided to find a wax that has a good features and properties for canister candles. We found the CS2 blend wax. This wax is made from vegetable oils and paraffin. Manufacturer description says that you can fill the container with a single pour, meaning when the wax is cooling, it's not shrinking, you don't have to refill. Also, without shrinkage, it has a good adhesion and creating a beautiful surface look. It has a great compatibility with the fragrance oils, producing excellent cold throw and hot throw. Second, the canister or the vessels. We choose the glass one as our preference. We like it. Third, the wicks. Based on a manufacturer recommendation, we order the Stabilo wicks 2 to 12. It's a different thickness for testing. And the fourth one, of course, fragrance oils. Again, our preference. That's all about ingredients. Let's jump into the equipment. We have here a slow cooker for melting the wax, a soup spoon, measuring and pouring jug. We got the bigger one and the smaller one for bigger and smaller amounts. We got a thermometer that I believe that's called as a infrared thermometer. We got another type of thermometer, again digital. A scale, the bigger one. A scale, a smaller one, that is for fragrance oils, and this one is for wax. Then we got few additional little science jugs, and we're planning to use that for the fragrance oils. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode. Take care.